We at the Latin American Center for Solidarity Service Learning promote service learning in different parts of the world, and each one of them poses us with different questions. In Central and Eastern Europe, one of the questions that appears has to do with whether service learning is the same as project-based learning or whether it's the same as experiential learning or something else. So we asked our partners in the region to tell us what they think about that.
The service learning is the teaching a learning strategy which connects the learning, education and the service.
Na osnovu utvrđenog problema, a na koji imaju mogućnost i sposobnost da djeluju, pronalaze partneri zajednice koji će im pomoći u rješavanju tog problema, te na kraju čine uslugu ili servis svojoj zajednici.
The goal of service learning is to direct students to practical action whose primary motivation is to solve the perceived need or challenge in their community. Learning takes place in two ways. Students actively participate in the project, but also look back and think and reflect on the whole process.
Service learning serves a greater educational scope. Prepare our kids for the unpredictable future of our society. Critical thinking, creativity, resilience, data analysis are just a few examples of skills that will be critical in 2030.
Experiential learning, it's some kind of umbrella, theoretical way what service learning is.
Service learning involves experiential learning and project-based learning, as students learn by doing, by actively engaging in real-world projects.
In project-based learning, then, there is a planning of the action, just like in service learning. Still, the project itself is not necessarily directed to transform anyone's life. That is key in service learning. A service learning project is planned to use academic content to transform and improve the life of the community. And that community is involved throughout the process.
They know that they learn to make a difference in their life, in the community, by working together and for the community.
Servisno učenje učenicima daje mogućnost da slobodno isprobavaju, pokušavaju i mijenjaju različite pristupe i aktivnosti kako bi zadovoljili stvarnu potrebu u svojoj zajednici.
Children are put in a front role, in a front seat to think, deliver, reflect, learn from there what is the most effective way to support community or to participate in the community development.
Servisno učenje doprinosi stvaranju i oblikovanju metodoloških kompetencija učenika. Omogućava socijalni i individualni razvoj učenika te doprinosi njihovom građanskom obrazovanju.
A lot of useful things that you can use in your relationships, in your day-to-day life. It's just amazing.
It gives chances to put in practice topics that we learn in school.
I believe in service learning because it helped me develop skills such as communication and teamwork.
They build relationships and learn how to have a voice to make a difference.
I strongly recommend service learning as the right way to make useful changes in our society.
It's mandatory and unbelievably important that each and every country should have this service learning project in all of their schools.
It's extremely important to teach children about solidarity so we can all have a better future.
This is the way that education should be going.
Students are really becoming the active subjects of the learning, so they see the change and they realize how they can change the communities, but also how can they learn themselves.